Please subscribe.
Good morning, and welcome back to Money Making Mondays. This is your host, Dave Natch, and I speak stocks. Hope everyone is in good spirits this morning. I have two plays for you. First one is a medium-term hold. Second one is a LT, long-term hold. But before I go there, let me delve into Friday's recap of the market. The Dow Jones closed flat on Friday, down 0.24% at 28,323. The Nasdaq closed up 0.036% at 11,895. The Nasdaq. DavesPlay today is SNDL. This one is in the ganja space. The stock is up 148% at 62 cents. High on the day in the pre-market is 72 cents. Pay attention to the number 72 cents today. On Friday, the stock closed up 13% at 25 cents. After hitting a high of 54 cents. So it went as high as 54 cents on Friday. The volume on Friday was an incredible 752 million. 752 million shares exchanged hands on Friday. Compare that to their average of 34 million. All right. Pay attention to this one. The ganja stocks are hot. Let me kick the tires. They were a market cap of 63 million. The float is 101 million. This is SNDL. All right. 6.5% of the float are insiders. 5% are institutions. And short size 5.41% of the float. Their current ratio is 1.79. Sparse data on this company. They're based out of Canada. All right. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're looking for supernova movers. That's what we do around here. Also, appreciate you sharing the videos. Let's jump into Dave's bonus play. Dave's bonus play today is a long-term hold. ONCT. The stock is up 60% in the pre on no news. They're currently sitting at 629. That's their 52-week high. They made that high on November 14th last year. All right. The high on the day in the pre-market was a whopping $8.32. This one has spikeability. Please trade carefully. Please wait for a pullback before you make a trade. Also, if you're trading regulation hours at 9:30, please to wait 10 to 20 minutes before you enter a trade. At 9:30, the markets are very volatile. Wait until things settle. Pay attention to which direction the stock wants to go before you make a trade. And also set your stop loss immediately after your purchase. 5 to 10% stop loss is fine. You know, we want to lose small and gain big. So if you're in the money, you want to add to your position on your way up, never on the way down. All right. Where was I on ONCT? All right. So 37% of the float are insiders. 12% of the float are institutions, okay? Short size 0.15% of the float. Total cash is 21 million and their total debt is a measly $380,000. So 21 million in cash, 380K in debt. That is very, very healthy. Their current ratio is 3.01. 3.01, their current ratio. I like anything over 2. They're in good shape. ONCT. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you make your next trade your best trade. Always protect your neck. We want to live to trade another day. We do not want to blow up accounts around here. All right? I'll see you when I see you. Dave Natch, I'm out. Make your next trade your best trade. Boom, bam. Today is Tuesday, November the 3rd. Today is election day in the United States of America. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching this one. The Dow futures are up 2%. In this video, I have 2 plays for you. In and out, grab and go. These are spec plays. All right. The first one is DBVT. DBVT is up 80. First one on the list. First, I want to say congratulations to my daughter Davina for voting for the first time. Seems like it was just yesterday. I took her from the hospital. Brand new baby. 9 pounds, 9 ounces. All right, let me get into the plays. MGI. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Makes my presence here today even possible. This is a moment of real consequence for America. Everything we care about, our economy, our health, our children, the kind of country we live in, it's all on the line. We're reeling from the worst public health crisis in a century. The president's mismanagement of the pandemic has plunged us into the worst economic crisis since the Great Depression. And we're experiencing a moral reckoning with racism and systemic injustice that has brought a new coalition of conscience to the streets of our country, demanding change. America is crying out for leadership. Yet we have a president who cares more about himself than the people who elected him. A president who is making every challenge we face even more difficult to solve. But here's the good news. We don't have to accept the failed government of Donald Trump and Mike Pence. In just 83 days, we have a chance to choose a better future for our country. So, Joe, Dr. Biden, thank you for the trust you've placed in me. Jill, I know you will be an incredible First Lady. And my husband Doug and I are so grateful to become a part of your extended family. And ever since I received Joe's call, I've been thinking, yes, about the first Biden that I really came to know, and that, of course, is Joe's beloved son, one of his beloved sons, Bo. In the midst of the Great Recession, Bo and I spoke on the phone practically every day, sometimes multiple times a day, working together to win back billions of dollars for homeowners from the big banks of the nation that were foreclosing on people's homes. And let me just tell you about Bo Biden. I learned quickly that Bo was the kind of guy who inspired people to be a better version of themselves. He really was the best of us. And when I would ask him, where'd you get that? Where did this come from? He'd always talk about his dad. And I will tell you, the love that they shared was incredible to watch. It was the most beautiful display of the love between a father and a son. And Bo talked about how Joe would spend 4 hours every day riding the rails back and forth from Wilmington to Washington so he could make breakfast for his kids in the morning and make it home in time